Guys, I cannot stand when people pull fire alarms for fun. Remember, fire alarm systems are installed to alert people that the building is on fire and they must get out now. So never pull them for fun. You only pull the alarm if you see fire or smoke, or if you have permission to pull it during a drill or a test of the alarm system, or if you have your own alarm at home. But never pull the alarm for fun. If you pull the alarm for fun, you are going to get in big trouble. You are going to get fined and you are going to get arrested. Also, if you pull the alarm for fun, you are putting people's lives at risk. Because there can be an emergency somewhere else, and the fire department will have to respond. To your false fire alarm that you pulled. And because of you, people are dying, which is no good at all. This is why you never pull these things for fun. I mean, kids that are doing something like this in school are going to get suspended from school or expelled for doing that. And for kids that do this in school, they don't have the money to pay. So their parents have to pay a lot of money. Or if the kids have their own money, they can pay the money for doing this. The reason why kids are pulling fire alarms in schools is because they don't want to go to class, or they want to get out of a test and and they don't like school. And they think it's funny to do it. Let me tell you, it is not. Like, for example, I don't want to go to class, so I'm going to pull the fire alarm. And they pull the fire alarm like this. Eh, 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 eh. Like, my goodness, that is not funny. What you did right there was a felony. Also, if you pull a fire alarm, you are responsible for a panic too. And if there's too many false alarms in a building, it's going to be real dangerous because people will start to ignore the alarm going off and assume it's another prank done by a really bad person. And the building could be on fire and everyone could die. So this is no good at all. I remember one time when I was in elementary school, someone pulled the alarm in the cafeteria, and that was not good. Kids that like to pull fire alarms at school have to grow up and stop doing this because what you're doing is against the law and the school code. You only pull these things if there is a emergency. Only when there is an emergency is when you pull this. Or if you have permission to do it during a drill, or if you have permission to test the alarm system, or if you have your own alarm set up at home that doesn't contact the fire department. But never pull these things for fun. I am not responsible for your consequences. So never pull a false fire alarm. Bye.